Here's the brutal truth that every e-commerce founder stuck under 100K per month needs to hear. And that is that 99.7% of your ideal customers have never heard of you. They're not searching for your brand. They don't even know they have the problem that you solve. And for example, let's say you're looking for a product, right? It's a clothing item. You see this brand, you're not even aware of it. The cart easily gets abandoned because you don't know who they are. Or imagine if you're searching for a product and you come to Nike, Apple, Google, all these brands you know, so it's an easy choice. And why is that? Well, it's because your brand is optimizing for the wrong 0.3% of people. They're retargeting the same 100 website visitors, and they're creating content for 30 followers, who are probably friends, running ads that get scrolled past in 0.3 seconds. Meanwhile, your real customers are solving their problems with inferior solutions because they don't even know that you exist. And so, here's the attention reality. Attention is currency. You can't demand it, and you must earn it. And so your customers see 5,000 plus messages daily. Your buy now button competes with Netflix, Amazon, TikTok. And how do you think that's going to be possible? How are you going to compete with them? You need to leverage this. Brands scaling past 6 figures don't start with selling. They start with serving. Here's the 3 cold awareness strategies that work. First is a problem-first content. Stop talking about your product. Talk about their pain. Here's example number 1. Refine the question with the skincare product. Low conversions will be saying our skincare reduces wrinkles. That's generic, and many brands say that, but higher conversions will be saying why your $200 night cream is making you look older. And the goal of this is just to hook them with problems they already feel. Here's another example with glasses. Low conversions are we help you see better. That's very generic and bland. That doesn't really get to the point. And higher conversions are look stylish whilst being able to never miss what's in front of you, which is, again, going back to the problem they already feel, which is not being able to look in front of you or not looking stylish with their glasses. And here's another strategy, which is the education Trojan horse. Teach viable systems that naturally showcase your solution. A meal prep brand doesn't sell containers. They teach the 15-minute Sunday prep method, while their container solves every pain point mentioned in the tutorial. Demonstration how to use, the use cases, and a case study of how it helps somebody, for example, save time through meal prepping. And here's the last strategy, which is borrowed audiences. Your customers are already gathered somewhere else, so you can find them there and add value first before maybe your competitor does. For example, you can be a guest on their podcast. You can answer questions in their Facebook groups. You can create content for other people's audience and use other people's audience to end up becoming your customer base. And from then on, of course, you're going to scale further. And the bottom line is to think not to try to convert strangers into customers, but to start thinking to converting strangers into people who actually know you exist. And if you want to know how we can help you with making this entire transformation, then head to highkick.biz so that you can find the AI growth infrastructure that can help you scale to 6 figures per month as fast and as easy as possible.